Well, we did pretty well. Hearing from a lot of people all around the country who are actually in. So what we're looking for right now is we're looking for people who will endorse us. We're not looking for money. We're looking for endorsements, looking for people of some name, who might think that this is a really great idea. Now, following this little brief video that I'm doing right now, there are going to be a bunch of pictures of people who are saying they're with us. I hope you enjoy them because I sure do. They're pretty neat people. Anyway, give us some thought and go with us. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm from California and I'm in. Are you in, Jackson? Yeah.
I'm in. Hi, I'm Glenda from Alabama. And yes, I'm in. How about you?
I'm Greg from California. I'm in, and I think you should be too.
I'm Devin Thompson from Dallas, Texas. I'm in. I'm all the way in. This is so important to me that I'm going to pull everybody that I know in with it. This is a big start. This is a big start because this is how you're supposed to speak. This is the way you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to be a unit, unified. We as one are stronger than the elite. I don't care what nobody says. But it takes a start, and it takes for everybody to see the vision. We have a vision with what is about to happen. Let's take it serious. This is serious. And I want everybody to grab the rope, and I want everybody to pull along. Let's go.
I'm Anthony from California, and I'm in.
Hi, this is Jim, and I'm in Arizona.
I'm Rick Lee from California, and I'm in.
Hi, I'm Bobby. I'm from Virginia. I'm in.